So first of all, you do get the owner's manual. Tells you the whole setup, what everything does. You do get a nice USB extension cord, USB-A to USB-A extender. And then you also get a microphone and headphone adapter, if you need this for your computer. So if your computer takes the green and red connections, then you can just plug in your headset right to here. And how that works is it comes with two things here. One, it comes with TRRS, so you get left-right audio for your speakers, and then also your microphones. That's what those three little lines are, and you can plug them right into there and plug them into your computer. Or if it's like my computer, I have a MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, and it just has this one plug that does all things. So it's pretty cool. So that is gonna get you audio both ways, headphones and microphone. And then when you plug in the USB portion of this cable, that's gonna give it power to light up the RGB, which is going to show up right here on the mic or on the headset. So you can see, it's just kind of breathing RGB colors there. So let's jump over to the headset, because that's the most important part. And it got over the ear, very comfortable. Your earlobe goes inside of here, so you're not getting ear fatigue. And then left side, this is the right side. And this is the microphone. So you can see this is very flexible, bendable, and then also adjustable.